So we're there with Sowseed in the realest way. Now, further on in the interview, we're going to find out why you call yourself Sowseed. But for right now, we are touch upon some topic as it relates to what's currently happening on social media, the World Wide Web at large. But we are focusing upon Jamaica in the dancehall and reggae atmosphere. We are touch upon topic as it relates to lifestyle of Jamaican.
Yeah, man. So, I say, me there I go and take a look in a society, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I go on in the earth, you know what I mean?
Yeah, what go on?
Man. Well, me there I go and take a look and I see a lot of things that circle around social media, you know what I mean? You know, with the ladies, them see me with some females said way, you know what I mean? Yeah, a whole heap of things are going where something need to organize and centralize, you know, in order to stabilize certain things. You see me, so we can have a better generation and better future for the young youth, them coming up same way. We as a bigger people, if we not try to set certain patterns straight, then the youth them will come up now and go able to can carry on. You see me I say? I see a lot of things are going on the social media now, right? You know what I mean, with ladies or rather say Mary and all, you know what I mean, Spice and you know, Chency the same way, you know what I mean, Jada Kingdom and all of the females, Maca Diamond said way, Tana Stevens, so all of them. But for me, as a man, you know what I mean, it's like woman kinda lose them value in a certain kind of way where it's like pride, nobody no responsible pride anymore. You know what I mean? Because of material things.
You remember the first video when we did publish with you?
Yeah, man.
I think about 2 or 3 years ago.
Yeah, roughly about 4 years in that bracket there.
Alright, the topic they went based and with the characteristics of modern day female. You categorize them as the devil and it brought about a lot of mixed feelings from the viewers.
Man be more silent right now, woman be more talkative when man should be the one to be more talkative right now. Woman is the one that talkative right now. So man keeps saying because what? Because of the vagina. So when you show weakness for the vagina, that's where you give your power to a woman as a man. You know what I mean? So woman a cuss man a say man a devil, man a cuss woman say woman a devil. But what you know, remember man is the head of the house. You know what I mean? So if a man doesn't stand up in the kingdom and govern the kingdom can't run properly. A mother can't teach a son how to be a man, but a father can. Father can't teach a daughter how to be a woman, but the mother can.
People can say what they want, because what you know, if people not say what they want, you know, if you make me hear what they must say, you know, and if you see if people meditation, they on the right path, if you know say boy, Rasta they taught the truth or Sowseed that taught the truth, then it don't make no sense. The majority of the viewers them still, if you tell you the truth, you know, me get more good response based on the things them when they say. So me not mindful of the 1 and 2 people them who say things. Me not really mind that, and me know enough people go and say things right now and that wanna see me. But guess what no. A majority rule and we care less. Once a truth we attack, I just say a thing there. Which me know in myself say me attack the truth and it's reality me I check. You see me I say?
Yeah, but what currently are going in a Jamaica right now in the Rasta energy, culture, lifestyle. It's like Rasta lose their element, Rasta lost their essence. So what ground as a Rasta man you feel say people go have enough trust in what you say?
Well, you see, right now to me, some people what them know, there's 2 source or 2 different elements. Let me put it that way. Cause when we say Rasta, you know, Rasta deal with righteousness, you know, but do dreadful things. So maybe clarify it that way.
Rasta, as we know it, that authentic energy, that vibration that bring about the truth, has evolved to dreadful people.
Yeah, because enough people only like put on the locks on them head, but deep down in them heart, them not really dead there. You know what I mean? It's not only about ear alone, you know, ear is a part of it, you know. Where your ear is your antenna, your ear is your identity, your ear is your crown. You know what I mean? So, rearing your crown, you can't be a clown. I want to tell me here, my son. You see me I say? Words with action, so them can get a satisfaction. That's how them go and get the fraction. You see me I say?
Alright, you did a touch upon the topic of what if the female them in a dancehall and reggae music carry on with modern day female and the extremity to which they will go to get the attention of the masses is somewhat immoral and leading the masses, especially the females, astray. Are we looking at it from a standpoint of shame and ill feelings, or are we looking at it from the standpoint of female dominance female independence? What is it?
Well, you see, everybody view them things from a different perspective, you know, but you see the real moral of life, because that we have to work with, you know. You know what I mean? You see, when
But
you're
people morality different, you know.
well, and it's not about an individual morality me I talk about, I'm going to talk about a spiritual morality right now. You see me I say, because what you know, there's two type of people on the earth. You have spiritual people and you have physical people. The spiritual one deal with the things them from inside, which is the principle of life for the creator they deal with. You know what I mean? And then the physical side of the people them who mindful of the outside. Like the image where you can see right now, see say, yeah, that shirt I have on and other pants I have on and other shoes I have on. So those type of people, you know, them cause a deflection of the principle of life, because them only run down what the bare eyes can see and them not see the spiritual side of life.
For example,
You see me I say?
I don't know changa style
Yeah,
already.
banana style. Physical people mindful of outside. So changa now they're wearing banana trash clothes, and some people that look down upon him and I say, boy, I'm crazy and this and that. But to me, nothing wrong with it, because the clothes they watch. We are watching art. You see me I say, like, you have some woman where in a society where if you have a one tear up pants or one tear up shirt, it's like them devalue because them think say, boy, you know, come to them standard. But what about the love that's inside the art? One of the things we really want to talk about where when we say woman lost them value, just check most of them artists that will sing soul song. Most of them male artists that will sing soul song and sing out them heart and soul for woman. If the woman them never have certain virtue or certain quality, or if you never see something good inside of the woman, there's no way you would have sing out in heart and in soul like that. These women nowadays don't got no man to sing out their heart and soul. You know what I mean? Me said that recently to some girl at one gas station, at Ruby's gas station at Westgate.
But you know
what I mean?
You know, it's a very interesting way to look at it, because if I really think about it, one of the hottest recording artists where the female them love.
Seen.
A Dexter Dap, and he not really talk about the heart and the soul, he talk about the
Yeah.
mind and the whole.
Yeah, because that's what I assure you, say it's just a sexual thing. You know what I mean? Alright, many females even know when time a man truly like her, are interested in her, like just want to have a real relationship, like a lifetime
You feel so?
relationship. Yes.
No, me think they know.
No, they don't.
I think they do. We
No,
can debate
most
on
of
that
them
still.
don't.
Alright, let me explain to you why I think
Yeah.
they do. Because people have sense, you know.
Yeah.
And they will know when time a person will be good to them.
Seen.
But the thing is, they are not used to people being good to them, so it kind of mentally they can't accept the goodness there, because they are caught up in, like what you say,
Yeah,
the
material
physical
thing. Yeah, physical, yeah.
in the realest way. So
Yeah.
because of that, they lose focus. But they do know
Yeah.
it's just for them to start practice it more, practice being more receptive to
Seen.
the good energy there. But
Yeah.
remember, you know, you said earlier on that females, because of how they display themselves, they might lose value. Why are they losing their value? Because of how they choose to dress, how they choose to carry on, when it's just a physical thing.
Yeah.
Are men taking the time to actually know the female enough to find the value that lies within her and accept her for those qualities? Or we just look upon her because of how she dress, how she skin out the boom boom, for entertainment purpose, and then we as men look upon her and say, yo, me don't want my woman for a skin out the boom boom, they give her 60,000 crowd and the world at large. You see me? So it depends on how we view it. So I want to elaborate upon that and bring clarity so the viewers them can understand that you are not coming from a biased point of view.
Alright, you see, let me tell you, as me tell you before, you know what I mean, and to where me reach in my life right now, you know what I mean, me I'll be 41 this year, see? And the pride of a woman is our secret part, and that should be of a singular individual, should see all of those things about her, not plural. You know what I mean? Because plural are more than one.
Yeah.
Seeing, so it's based on material things and money, why some people do something. But as I say, if you look back at it and look on it and see say it's a form of loss of pride, some people may think them gone too deep with it. Even when me hear a lady saw the other day when they talk and she say she are the one who started in a dance hall. You know what I mean? So she when they talk to Spice and Shensi, Jada Kingdom, and you know what I mean? So it's like, to me, everybody come down pan her right now, you know what I mean? Because she has said, boy, them gone out of line. We out of line because of material things and because of the success and the hype and all this type of thing, you know what I mean? And what she wanna say is reality, because what you know, if me walk over this and drop in a one pit, see, and you go over there, or somebody else will go over there, me go and tell them, say, watch, don't walk over the side because you're going to fall in another pit over there. So I will know the consequence will already go over there. So
True.
go over there. So everybody want bash now and start to dig up back some old time story. And you know, when people are trying to change and try to do good, it don't make no sense you try to dig up back some old story to try to tear them down. That means you would have show me a mentality in your mind, say what you know, your corruption you deal with, and should because you're famous and all this type of thing. I don't see no sense in that. You know what I mean? All of them for just come together, you know what I mean, as women and try to elevate themselves and try to bring out the younger generation them will come up because them will watch them as a road model. You know, when you have road model, if them go to the left, you're going to follow them. Artist is the voice of the poor people, whether male or female. And if them a fight against each other, what them left the youth, them will they listen to them. Just like a politician. Some say PNP, some say GLP. And when time some say Gaza, some say Gully, then that's a separation that right there. So
Question. What do you think about Spice?
Spice, well, if you tell you the truth, Spice is one of my best female artists because Spice have love in her art. She have space theater, you know me as a man, I love space theater man same way. You see me I say? So Spice have love in her heart and she a godchild, you know what I mean? So more she feel do better. Trust me. Me can't tell her one now to live them life, but to how me see how she conduct herself in her in her what you call it now, in her performance them and them type of thing there. For a godly woman, trust me, out of line.
How about lifestyle? How she portray herself?
Well, you see, based on where she come from, to my knowledge, that's how me hear how she talk. It's great to achieve success in life, you know. You know what I mean? And live the life where you want to live. Whether you want to live in a mansion or you want to buy the biggest Benz or Lexus or whatever, people feel live life. Because from you come from dirt, you feel live life. But the exposure of self, you feel adorn yourself. Proverbs 31. I go there so with woman. Woman feel moderate in her dressing. You know what I mean? Woman fi carry themselves in a one way. That means when time she walk out the road, just by the way she carry herself alone, a man, I feel just give her respect naturally. Not because you're sexy or not because you're fat up in your clothes or them type of thing there, but because of the personality where you carry and the character where you portray. You see me I say?
In the realest way.
Straight up. You know what I mean?
You don't know. And the new people them are run things now. The new generation them call the shots.
Mm-hmm.
So we can just bank on for reviews and we can share reviews with others, hoping that others will share the similar view as us, you know, and embrace it.
Mm-hmm.
But the new generation love the raunchiness, them love the wild out, them love the, the rebellious attitude and energy. It are the new it right now.
Because the reason being, remember them say young bird don't know storm, you know. And if you already say get the experience of life where them say experience, teach it, knowledge or wisdom.
Yeah.
Then you would never try to fashion yourself in those type of fashion because that is just only a design we're going to lead you astray. You know what I mean? As when I tell you, say physical people, them going to run down for all these modernized things.
Yeah.
And them not run away from the ancient. Alright, many of us grandparents always tell with some little thing, they speaking there that son at own ear go and feel and them type of thing there. So if you not live on the olden days type of style, that means you not live none at all because I'm an ancient man, you know, living in a modern world, you know. Not because me in a these time, I not come spread out myself like a butter and bread. You know what I mean? No, it me not work like that. But people who lost their mentality and their mindset, anything where see a person do is based on the mindset where them having in them brain or somebody reformate the settings of their mind because them born as a leader, them born as a follower.
You know,
so they love to follow people.
Say that again, so they love to do?
They love to follow. They are not born as a leader. So they must follow fashion.
You're an ancient man living in the modern days. You know, people go associate it with Vibes Cartel who classified Bounty Killer as dinosaur. Meaning he's ancient, he's old.
Old time.
You know, relevant right now. A lot of people go associate that time when Vibes Cartel said that about Bounty Killer with you saying that you are an ancient man. They're going to look upon you as a man who lack, you know, earning level of credibility for them look upon you and say why you say has substance and make sense. They're going to look upon you as an ancient man that can't relate to them modernly.
Yeah, but what you know now, I couldn't, that is their concept, you know.
Yeah.
But in my views towards that, anything is of all is the greatest of all. You catch me idea with? So no matter what the younger generation want to say, it's because they don't grasp on the truth and the reality of life. Make them would really want to say something like that because it's a few people out there because me buck up on young generation. Me I tell about in the teen where old school music them listen. And the mindset and the mentality is of all.
Yeah, but that would be the minority based on the population of young people who do consume secular, violent, skin out music. Me enjoy them too, but I am of a more mature mind where me can distinct the difference between reality and entertainment. A lot of these young children or even young adults, they can't make that distinction, and so the impact of the music and the players of instruments and these performing artists have on the mind and the heart of Jamaican people. A lot of these people seems to be running away from their responsibilities. You see me? So I understand where you come from, but between me and you, I will leave them go to class and I say, I want to this a Cruff Rasta man and come sit down and chat beer.
That's okay.
You see me?
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Rough
so
make me tough, you know.
Rough make you tough.
Rough make me tough.
Cruff make you tough.
So you can't soft in this time.
In the realest.
So no matter who want call me Cruff, that's okay.
Explain that, because I don't understand. When I say Cruff make you tough, what you say?
Alright, for instance, remember, you know, if you live in a garrison, remember, say you can't soft, you know, whether you're bad or you're not bad. See, but you have to tough in your mind. You see me, you have to tough in your heart, see me. So if they want to call me Cruff, because Cruff is somebody where in workless or in tough, kind of Cruff. You know, words sound alike, but they have different
are you
meaning.
saying that you're worthless?
Me? No, me worthless?
Yeah.
I priceless, man. Me not worthless.
So you associate that with
words, rhyming words.
That are the thing. These artists are doing the same thing. The same artists, them when you bash them, do the same thing. They just a rhyme and they just a whine and them just a skin out and them a fling out and them a lick and them a dip. So all these things what them a do, brother. This is me finding the chink in your armor and bringing it to your attention so you can address it, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful with the type of words them you use and the type of energy it's giving off.
But what you know, as I say now, I no matter who want call me Cruff, because I know say success up. You see me, I say, you see, once your heart clean and pure, brother, that's all. You no matter what people, and let me tell you something I observe in a life.
Yeah.
You have some people in a life where them quick for tear down, and then they on no level with party of them. You catch me, I say? You may have 5 shirts and 5 pants or 10 pair of shoes, and them even have a good one, and yet them crucify you, and them would have tear you down. And them not then know where you're there. You know what I mean? You have your own place, you have your own this, and some people have nothing that can go and end up on top. And I try to belittle you. So when people want to call me Cruff, I don't mind. You know, I'm a hustler in the street, I hustle every day for eat. That's how we do it.
When I look on the mixed reviews, the comments on social media, people are saying the same thing. Spice came out and said it herself that ladies are bad mind her and this and that and all the ill things that Lady Saw did throughout the course of her dancehall reign as the dancehall queen. Spice spoke about it and how much it affected her negatively. Do you think it's fair for Spice to be lashing out given the fact that she is now the current reigning queen and it comes with a certain esteem and a certain responsibility? Wouldn't you want to see Spice address it in a more classy, queenly-like manner?
Yeah, well, alright, you see, let me tell you. When people go that rational and bring out such an ego out of them, you can tell there's a burning flame deep down inside against the person. You know what I mean? Because watch it now.
Is it truly against the person or is it against self? Does Spice truly love herself? Is this Spice showing how much of a hate and grudge she carries within her heart to the point it is deteriorating her own soul and she can't even realize it?
In order for you to love somebody else, you have to love self first. But what I'm saying is like she go to a certain extent.
But that's my point. Is she really showing love? Is she only doing it for the clout or for the attention or to create a perception? Is she displaying love or is she displaying hype? That posh lifestyle, that up the lifestyle, me better than everybody lifestyle. I mean, no care what nobody wants to say lifestyle.
It's an all purpose.
Me I do me lifestyle.
It's an all purpose. It's everything mixed up in it. Because as I say, when time she bring out the flame there, because there's a flame inside of her, you know, seeing against Lady Saw. You know what I mean? Because you know, I do a look at video recently when they talk about it the same way. And
no, but what I'm saying is this flame that you're talking about that she has against Lady Saw. There are many a time I can recall Spice displaying that same flame towards other people. So what I'm saying is, why is people always picking at her?
Alright.
Is she doing enough to realize what she is doing to cause that reaction from others?
You see, I'm going to use myself as an example. You see in a life when alright, first of all, when people don't know your business, right? It's when people don't know your business or people can program you for them way or have you the way or them want to, them not gonna like you. See, Spice get a lot of fight in the business.
So you know, does Lady Saw.
Yeah, based on how me
so did Lady Saw and
but
still
success is a thing where get people upset.
Say that again.
Success is a thing that get people upset. You have some people, if you start to be successful in a life, them quick become tear down. Some people not see it till they reach at the top.
Oh, so it's a crab in a barrel mentality. The cycle of being a crab in a barrel keeps going.
Me hear Spice, I think a Spice me hear mentioned that she went live. No, Lady Saw mentioned that Spice went live her house. See, so when me look upon it, me know so sometimes when I live at some people house, me go through a whole heap of things where you have to sup like a tea. You know what I mean? Me don't know what them been through or what she been through going there or living there.
Yeah.
But if you live at a person place and them put up your and they do a good for you in them time, regardless of the storm where you may go through, you still have to show look appreciation for sure. So what you know, this way head when they rest and this way when cover.
Shouldn't that be enough for Spice to take a different approach towards the whole situation?
Yes.
Did she had to go at Lady Saw the way she did?
No, because as me tell you, say
the next question is is Lady Saw right for doing what she did by posting those videos of her saying what she said about the females of dancehall?
No, me not give her no right.
It can be said that she had paved the road for these current ladies of dancehall and she experienced the ups and the downs and now she's reaching out to these ladies too. Don't make the same mistake I did. You can do it and do it better.
Seeing. Yeah, definitely, because you see, as me say now, if my mama mentioned about the pit, if you walk over this and you drop in the pit, you go encourage people not to walk over there if you fall in the same pit. So as me I say, as a woman to a woman, just like you should be your sister keeper. It no matter if your sister poor, it no matter if your sister rich. See, once you come out of the sufferation and reach on a level in life, remember saying, I want enemy to feed you over there so when you're hungry, you know. So you still have to show respect to the enemy the same way. You're not going to spread out yourself to give the enemy more chance to come trample you down. But you're going to do your best and show the love. So the way our Spice deal with the situation, she come out with a flame, everything like say she had carried long time. You know what I mean? Lady Saw just to see me because when Lady Saw said she had talked to Spice and I said, Spice, you don't look good again when you look good one time. See? That means say what you know now. Me no business if you want to talk to me. Right there so me see the flame.
Okay.
But in a Lady Saw there so because she know the response where she going to get from Spice when she throw them words out at Spice. Because
okay.
It's like, alright, let me say something to you.
So in other words, Lady Saw choice of words could be different.
It look a bit spicy. It look a bit spicy.
It too spicy for spice.
Yeah, it too spicy for spice. You know what I mean? Yeah. But them have a little thing going within each other because me can see it.
Yeah,
you can detect certain things, you know what I mean? But as I say, as a female to a female brother and to a society around, it's like you don't need to go this. And then again, remember say the lady in our church and things, see me. So we sure say people they even respect God. You know what I mean? The way how you go and go at her, even though she have one dancehall artist where they spread out herself in the place, but she had changed and transformed herself in a one new world. Why you can't show look respect to that?
Is Lady Saw trying to make a comeback into dancehall? What are your views on that?
Alright, you see, for my views, me not say yes or me not say no, but sometimes people play mind games too. You know what I mean? But maybe she will want to come be a more like a reggae gospel artist.
That's how you don't like she represent herself as a reggae gospel artist.
To the thing when I see her go on in the media right now, it would have come like say she should have come in a dancer but in our reggae format.
Well, what if she want to come back with her same set, same catalog, come start tour again, start take bookings as Lady Saw?
Everybody have their own choice and to know the life for them I live and how them serving them God, brother. You responsible for whatever you choose. No matter what people want to say. Because in a society, if you do good, people talk. If you do bad, then talk. So what you know, do whatever pleases you and know say, boy, you're holding on upon the Almighty. You no matter what people say. Because what you know, let me tell you something some people don't know about God. You see, God working at every crevice, every corner. Him say him make right and him make wrong. So if a person even going to the club, you're going there for an experience so you can come teach some that because in order for you to give give information.
Most people go to club to go enjoy themselves. Look a new man or look a
but
new
you have
woman.
experience is not enjoyment alone. Experience is the number one source.
Experience.
Experience.
Real facts.
See,
That's logic. There's no going around that.
see.
In the realest way. So I just want to identify that. You
Yeah,
see?
yeah, yeah.
Move forward.
Alright, so as I say, in order when you go and teach, see,
Yeah.
you have to give out a certain amount of information. Now, how do you get the information if it was from experience? Alright, let me show you something. Look at this.
Yeah, unisex.
Yeah, the meaning of unisex is two nature. As a man, you carry two seed.
Yeah.
See? You have a male and a female in the two seed where you carry.
Hold on, wait. Where I say me have a female seed and a male seed?
Yeah, because remember it's a male and a female creator, you know? Mother and a father.
So we are trying to tell me say the thing between my thyroid or something in my scrotum.
Yeah.
One a female and one a male.
Yes, exactly so.
No, the two ball in my seed bag.
Yeah, yeah, male and female.
One a male and one a female.
Yeah. You get kids, right?
Yeah, me have
How
a
much kids you get?
son and daughter.
Son and who?
Son and
Son
daughter.
and who?
Appear me.
I see him thing in I seed. I see
Appear.
him thing in I seed.
Explain that for
So
me.
watch me now. Alright. When a man born as a man,
Yeah.
seeing your mother disappear, gone, you come in the farm of your father. Remember, see, two of them create you.
Yeah.
See? So your mother gone spiritually inside of you.
Yo, John know the part are deep, brother, but more try to keep up.
See? When a girl child born, the father disappear and she only in the farm of her mother. See? So the father gone spiritually in the daughter. As you can see right here, so this is the man over here. So.
Yeah.
See? In your mind you have a woman in your mind because a man using his body and cover his soul of a woman. See? The woman over here, so she have a man in her mind. So she use her body and cover the soul of a man. You catch me I deal with?
Yeah, you speak from a heterosexual point of view.
See? So what you know
Naturally.
now, as a man roam around intentionally he want sex. So he have a vagina mind. Because remember, you know, any man who say them have a man inside of them, you know, that means that something must wrong right there, you know, brother. Because remember, your soulmate.
Yo, you get one heap of bash for what
No,
you
me
say.
not care.
You know.
Me not care. Because this is not a no funny mental thing. We are talking about chromosome, X and Y chromosome. In a school, you do synonyms and antonyms.
Yeah.
When a man stand up with his 2 foot closed and his 2 hand open out, it represent for a Y, that is a man.
Yeah.
Woman open up in 2 foot and 2 hand, that represent a X. See?
Yeah.
So what the woman be on the outside, that's what the man is on the inside. Because remember, the woman have the vagina outside and it you have in your mind and it you want. So anything you desire inside, you have to get it outside.
The male's urge to
Yes.
to pair or couple with a female.
So you have to have a connection.
Yeah.
So the woman have the X
And
outside.
it is the same for the female.
Vice versa. That's why I say synonyms and antonyms.
Okay, come here, I have to take my
So
time, you know, brother.
synonyms from there, so connect
deep.
to this over here, so, and from here, so connect to over here, so you create an X right there. So the man be Y on the outside, that's what the woman want on the inside.
Imagine one heap of people who go watch this say you're a madman and everything where you
Mad.
say a foolishness.
Better than call me God man. They must call me madman. But if they want to say me mad, that's okay, still me not care. All them have to do is do them research and check out X and Y chromosome. Then they will know what me I talk about. Some people go and say, boy, Irasta sound like a gay. But what you know now, if them want to say that, that's still okay. Because I know me not gay. You know what I mean?
No, but all that for sound like a gay.
No,
man.
me meet up on people who say that because when me talk about the feminine side, inside. How is it to go love a woman if you don't have a tenderness in you? Remember your mother left her spirit in you, so if you love in her charming, because woman is of nurturing.
How we are go with that? You know, see a gunman, the man them a turn nowadays. And
Yeah,
the girl
but-
them want gunman.
I know every woman want that, brother.
But Rasta, you know, see the new generation of that go on. What we are tell them, I said,
Yeah.
them people don't want to
And-
hear that
and
Rasta, they don't want.
everybody-
A madness you say to them
But,
right now, you know, Rasta.
If them want to take it say mad, that's okay. But as I say, real woman want a loving man, brother. Woman want affection. You see me I say?
So
and
a real man don't want a loving woman.
it's a vice versa, synonyms, antonyms.
Okay.
So both ways me attack.
Alright.
See?
Me dey on track again.
So when me I say, if a man no have that little tenderness the inner them feel love woman, brother.
Yeah.
When them go bed with that woman, what them all do, brother? Just jump on a woman saying have no little compassion, no little softness, no little tenderness, brother.
Sowseed, only for the man them never born in a family structure environment where
Doesn't
teach
matter.
them how to show compassion.
Yes, that's true, but it still doesn't matter, you can learn.
How then go learn when time the girl them want gunman.
Alright, watch this. You can learn off of music, you can learn off of movie, you can learn off of reality in a life. And all these type of things. Everything there in a society for you to learn. It depends on what you focus your mind on and what you try to grasp on. That is the whole factor, you know. Because every baby we born have a different observation, you know. Me could have there and know say, alright, a 3 white car park right at the center of that circle there. I know you never think about that. You never look on it like that. Yeah. Because you not think that way there.
In the realest
way. You see, so everybody think different. You see me I say?
So how you go get people now to start grasp the consciousness of what you are talking, its logical and pure form as it relates to male and female connection, heterosexual connection.
Yeah. Alright. What go on, many people can relate, you know. What me I say, cause me talk to people, you know, like me talk to police, me talk to soldier, me talk to educated people, even artists me talk to same way, cause me go up and even I act in life same way. And me bring this to him same way. You see me? And him talk about the X and Y chromosome. So if you know about the X and Y chromosome, there's no way a man feel offended or try look down upon him make it look like say boy or some negative thing me I talk about.
But the the alphabet community,
yeah.
Seeing remember, you know, them a plea for them cause, you know. Them a plea for them reason or rights to exist and live among everybody else like ordinary people. So in a sense, me get where I say as it relates to being a heterosexual male or female.
Yeah.
But is it leaning on the side of bashing the other who does not fit in that category?
No. In a lean funny like bashing them. To some people, it would have more look like me support them.
Really?
Yes.
With this argument?
Yeah, because what I remember me tell you say, being a man on the outside, because the interior is different from the exterior, you know. So being a man on the outside, and your inside have to be of a tender side. So what you know, no, some of the man them being so tender and so pity within themselves, where they want to create that softness, the outside of the form of a man. Alright, that's how they go wrong. Like you drink rum and over drunk.
Oh, Zane.
See, you create as a man, you must make the tender side of you, they want to come outside of a man, make you want to be like a woman out there.
To justify their cause, they would say that that's who they are and they can't do anything about it.
That's reality. That's reality. But as when I say, listen, you see, life is a twist. Right? Let me show you something. This is life. A circle.
Yeah.
And in order for life to change, it have to have a little twist like this. So it becomes a 8.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So any life we live over upon the side there,
yeah.
I see him life you go and live back over upon the side there.
But
life
that
is a cycle.
Yeah, that 8 represents fluctuation.
See? Yes, right there. You see me I say, so when me I try to say, me I say when a man, alright, many women out there, they mother walk like them a man, because the nature of a man more embedded in them body. Alright, day before yesterday,
yeah.
Me a reason with some school pitney we go catching our school. Me ask them the same thing about this. And one of the young girls said to me, say, you know, so me feel like me I want a man inside. And I say, what make you say that? He said, because of the nature when you feel in them body. So I say, well, you're not wrong. For what you say, because what you know now, as me tell you, woman was created to inmate with a man. Seeing so as she being a female on the outside, intentionally, she's a masculine gender because the masculine part is what you want.
Hold on, Rasta. This is which part may have to put a stop so we can have the clarity that is needed for the audience.
Seeing.
So basically you said to a schoolgirl that she having the feeling and the urge, the feeling of a man inside, seeing that will compel her to find other female attractive.
No, not in that term there, no.
No, but at the idea they say I come in my head when time you speak.
Me never go to that side there.
At the idea they start picturing in my mind when I speak.
No, that's why when me explain myself, I tell you say.
Yeah.
When she said that, as me said before, a woman use her body to cover up the soul of a man. See me I say, let me come as a man, me like demonstrate, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me like demonstrate for clarity, you know what I mean? Alright, I'm gonna use this as a proof. Alright.
How about that?
It's $100. Same material. We make man. I said material make woman, right? So this is the head. So if I fold this way, right? If I fold this way, where the woman gone?
Hold on, you lost me.
Alright, this are the man.
Yeah.
And this are the woman. See? So if I fold this way, where the woman gone?
There's an intertwine between the man and the woman.
Yeah, so where the woman gone? Because see the man here, you know. So where the woman gone?
On the inside.
Alright, watch it free now. So I'm go so now I'm fold this way.
Yeah.
Where the man gone?
On the inside.
So man in a woman in a man. That means a two in a one, and that's why you get unisex, brother, because a two nature.
Yeah, but the only time me can see myself the going on a woman is when time me and her have sex.
No, that means a physical thing you deal with, something spiritual side.
Oh yeah. So everything we are explain, you explain from a spiritual point of view.
You see me I show you right there, so where you just show me a while ago, you give me a little bit of the physical part of you to show me say boy, when a man have sex with a woman is just one way. Cause when two persons have sex,
yeah,
the soul, exchange of soul take place.
Yeah. Hey, Sowseed.
Yeah.
Remember I know. Right now, I have a journalist at scene. And I have to make sure say me and you have a dialogue, a conversation, and the conversation has to make sense. So I have to ask questions as if I want to come and viewer the watch and ask the question. You get to me and say,
we can explain it.
Yeah, so everybody can get justice while them are watch. We don't really want to step on nobody can. We want spark in the
can't step on where you want to do it physically.
Can't I go step on?
Literally, or you want to do it subliminally.
Can't I go pop?
Yeah, because remember say some people out there go agree to what go on, you know.
It's like a movie that sit back and enjoy the Justin Blake channel.
See, yeah man, a Justin Blake thing, so just remember, it's a great thing. So as we may say, when two person go in a bed and have sex, it's an exchange of spirit. Because what you know, if you carry a certain limit of spirit in your body and you mingle with another person with a higher level of spirit, it can contaminate them.
Say that again?
It can contaminate each other.
No, explain all of that, my last.
If you carry a certain, like say you have 70% a jovial spirit, and the next person got say like 30, 40, 50 word.
Yeah.
Yours can dominate them, you know. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. So people, alright, you have some man that have some grievous spirit in them. And when they mingle with some decent woman now, they contaminate them and mash them up. Vice versa. You have some woman.
Yo, you know what you say a while ago deep, brother.
See?
I can't hold it, but then woman I talk about them want bad man in them wall and a bad man turn them on and then get a bad man, then can't take out the bad man and treat them.
Because they don't want that, brother, they don't gonna talk, so they want it.
So then confused and don't know what they want.
Alright, you see luxury and material things is the delight of a woman.
Say that again.
Luxury and material things is the delight of a woman.
What is the delight of a man?
The delight of a man, real man, love. Love. Respect. Honor. Because if a woman not honor me and respect me, no matter what she do, she could have give me the world, no make no sense to me.
So you feel like woman need all them things there too?
Yes.
Along with?
Because the reason why is like, you see, if you don't know what you deserve, then you know, anything where you get out there, and if a man a tear out in heart and give up, it don't make no sense, brother. Woman too precious. Woman represent the earth. Mother earth will bear everything around here. Woman bring the baby them.
Yeah.
Seen? But the way I see some woman a formulate themselves and carry themselves, trust me, is a disgrace.
Seeing?
Trust me, I tell you the truth.
Yo, I'm to the man, brother. We have to create a balance in the conversation, right? Some man a carry on some way which part it's unpleasant.
If you notice when me I talk, me I base on the two anger.
Yeah.
Because what you know now, alright, let me tell you. You see, you have some woman where, alright, me is a man, me hustle in the street every day.
Yeah.
So in my location where me hustle, enough of the woman them would even date a man like me.
Why?
Because they are image. Their God is an image. So them go for physical appearance. They not see the realness in me as a man when you say, boy, this a man that come out as actually 7 days a week I come hustle. A 3 youth me I take care right now.
Yeah.
And a simplicity we used to survive, like we see that tell you. We sell local CD, we sell incense, cause I have a song named Incense Man to see him way.
In the realest way. But what you mean by me is a man, and me live in a modern day Jamaican society. And as far as my eyes can see and my intellect can observe and understand, the woman don't care if you're swimming at the sewage system or out of boat, you know. As long as you're bringing in the money. So I don't think it has to do with how you look or what you do.
No.
It has to do with what you can bring to the table.
No, and that's how you go. Let me tell you something. You see, pride.
Yeah.
Pride is a hell of a thing.
True.
Alright. Enough woman wouldn't there with a man without a road that sell look a cheap chip, look a bag juice and look a sweetie or whatever the case may be, because their friend or their family go say, well, I have to take up one of them kind of man. They want a man to wear jacket and tie and carry briefcase and all these type of things. You catch me I deal with?
Yeah.
Because them have pride and shame. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Me give you an instance. Me have a brother, my bigger brother, which you know him. See?
Yeah.
One day I see a woman that when time I used to go see in St. James High. And we used to push the peanut cat where you hear whistle.
Yeah.
That time when coats when they down Creek Street there so. So it's like the man goes to boom and spot a girl. And the man push off the cat. You see me?
Yeah.
The man goes and push off the cat. And me run and go catch the cat and the girl start to sing a song so them hide their face through them see me a come. Me is a man, brother, me have no face to hide, brother, because watch you know, no.
So,
you see when you're a real man.
Your brother did shame
Yes,
for the girls
because-
see him, they sell peanut.
Brother, it no matter how woman want to look, brother. You are the man. You know if you have no shame in your brother. You live for sweetie they sell.
Yeah.
You see me I say, you have to proud of yourself, daddy, and hold your grounds as a man.
In the
You
realest
see me I say, yeah, straight up. So we not shy over nothing for they go on like say, boy, I not sure a woman may feel say too, she too nice. No, woman not too nice to deal with a man like my brother. I just because of the type of woman them and what them choose.
But Sowseed,
You
there
know
are a
what I
lot
mean?
of women out there who are more drawn to a man because of his intellect.
Yeah.
You get to me and say she can see way beyond just the physical and find the person on a more spiritual level.
See.
You get to me and say intellectual
Very few,
level.
woman. Very
and
few.
see as the most handsome man God has ever created.
Very
So
few.
it's a balance here,
Yeah,
sir.
it's a very few women out there we know that. Majority of the women them in society,
Yeah.
them not depend that, brother. Enough time you out there and observe something. You will see a girl and you address her very decent.
Yeah.
And she need even the answer if you say, boy, thank you or I morning or whatever. But if you go to the radical way like and deal with her some way,
Some derogatory
yeah,
way.
she go respond. And
Yeah.
so she want to respond now. Because woman self-esteem low, you know. Not for them self-esteem low, you know. I earth. Remember say the earth, you know.
You have to be careful, you know, Sowseed, because I don't want the woman them beat up on a
No,
video, you
it's
know.
reality, brother. Now we as a man motivate them, tell them say them look nice, them sexy and all this type of thing. But some of them, that because you come from the earth, brother. You know if you stay down on earth, daddy. While the sky is there, that means you have to go up to the sky. So if your mentality or your mindset or your concept not right, you go keep a low mentality. Cause when a woman down to earth, then put it away there. She not look down upon you. A whole heap of woman out the road with down to earth, and no matter how you want to look or how you want to stay, she willing to talk to you, she will do anything for you, brother. But some of these women then too cockatoo and prejudice. Highty-tighty. You catch me I deal with?
Yeah.
Brother, listen. First, me as a man, me used to say woman a devil, right? Seeing because what you know now, if a woman not being a nurturer, because remember you know, if a woman no carry the baby, you know, seeing and she not go to deal with the baby in a arrogance. A woman is a nurturer.
Yeah.
Seeing, and when a woman have a young baby, a tenderness and compassion and everything that she go use. You know what I mean? To deal with the baby.
Yeah.
So even when a woman come deal with a man same way, you have to deal with the same compassion. Because remember, you know, why you would leave for your mother house and go pick up another woman out there? That means you have two women that in your life right there, so you know. So if a woman can love a man, just like how she should love her son, that means she not love none at all.
But a lot of these parents don't know what is love. They weren't raised in an environment where love was the driving force that keep the family together.
Well, as we said to a society reach right now, some things you not even have to learn about it, daddy. You have the internet where you have dictionary where you go look up the meaning of the word. Live by the meaning of the word. Show the action. See? Some man same way, them don't know how to treat a woman said way. It's a vice versa thing. Woman, cause watch you now, in a 1 Peter 3 verse 6, Sarah called Abraham Lord. See? Because what? The man is honorable. You see me I say? So when you're being a for honorable man and then the woman show you respect and them thing there, is a reflection like a mirror. You're going to give back the same kind of energy.
What you call an honorable woman?
Honorable woman is a woman who show you respect.
That's what you call her, show your
Yeah,
respect.
she respect you and she respect herself same way.
What you call a honorable, the name that you would give to a honorable woman, what is that name?
That's as I said before, an honorable woman is a woman who respect a man, daddy. See?
So her name would be Respect a Man Daddy.
No man. Come on, man. You know a Jamaican style we are talking.
No, we need to get that name to identify a honorable
Because our
woman.
value.
Would you call her love? Would you call her?
It depends on what you want to
Grace.
call her. It depends on what you call her, you know.
What name do you give to your woman you classify
Alright.
as?
Right, my woman, me just call her by her name. See, me just
And
call
her
by
name is just the name that make her honorable. That's her honorable title.
No, me call her by the name that she have.
Okay.
But what I'm saying, see, when a woman respectable,
Why you call her honorable, man?
an honorable man is a man who respect a woman. A man who do the principle of life. See, in a relationship, I make sure that everything go the way as how it will go. You take care of your kids, them and thing. You go the extra mile to make it happen.
Okay, so what you call a honorable woman?
The same thing. The woman who do the things. That's why I say the woman will have a value, have a high value, standard. Not because she pretty.
What are the criteria you use to identify these standards, the characteristics of the standards in a woman?
An honorable woman is a woman who works for her honest bread. She not go out there and spread herself over the place. Forget money. You see me, I say she not run on with Dick Tom and Harry. She work her 9 to 5 or she do her hustling and she keep her pride and keep up her standard. Most women or most of the young girls, them enough big women do it too. You know what I mean? Them go out there and them sell them body. Who not do it publicly, do it privately.
But a lot of these women, they do sell their body, but they do it in a honorable way.
Who not do it publicly, do it privately. That's it. No
So
honorable way.
would you say the private way is the honorable way to do it?
No honorable way in if your woman sell her body. An honorable way in if your woman go out there go work for your money and be proud of herself.
You sure about that?
I'm not sure. I'm going to see sure, I'm certain.
You certain?
Yeah, man.
Hey, me say then go beat you in
Well,
the
if they beat me or something, I say my mother beat me from military, you know, so nothing wrong. Me used to beating.
In the realest way. How did you came to this? How did you came to this consciousness? What awoke this consciousness inside of Sowseed?
Well, as me go first, me still I'll tell about experience. Cause me was a type of youth like this in my teen.
Yeah.
And when time you say certain things to me, I mean, like if you're not experiencing you know, that means there's like a blank, a domino with blank, a double blank. Okay? You don't have nothing in you, you're empty.
Mm-hmm.
You see me, I say. So me used to tell as a man say hey to me say the man and mother are online woman. But as the time goes by, I start to transform. You know, because there's a lion inside of me and there's a greatness in me where the more you grow is the more you start to realize and see and start to take away yourself from something because you know say watch you know this is not the lifestyle where you feel live. You see me I say even saying all these things when me I say but woman as me tell you I'm going to still tell you say woman is precious. See?
Without a doubt.
No doubt. Woman is comfort but don't try to tear me down in order to get the best of me. Because you want to say, okay, true, uno, I don't want to carry the baby and a man can't do without uno. Uno feel say, yeah, uno want to treat you one kind of way. Because what you know, no, you see any how you treat me, I saw me go and treat you.
But the woman them say the man them not treat them good for morning.
Because they might pick the wrong man.
So I'm to the man them want to pick the wrong woman.
Vice versa, you have two type of woman out there and two type of man out there. You have a physical man and you have a spiritual man. You have a physical woman and you have a spiritual woman, just the same. So woman, when they run down material, gonna go for the man them. Physical man them. Simple that. Man with pretty car or man with car or man with money or man we have a nice clothes and them type of thing there. Enough man go for that to see me, but as me say, for a real man and to where my mindset there in a life, them things they no faze me. It no matter how a woman feels saying sexy or in pussy fat or whatever, in vagina fat or where you want to put it. You know what I mean? That no faze me, brother.
We know say we love woman and every time we look and see a sexy woman, every woman is sexy and we just want every woman. So because of the demand for every woman, you find say
yeah.
The woman them see the advantage for exchange for money.
Yeah, but well, based on it's a name, Tiger.
Yeah.
That have a lot to do with people too. I remember me I live by my name, you know, and not the fame. Sowseed.
Yeah.
You must know say at the song when me sing name Sowseed, make me get that name there.
In the realest
me I say. So when me say that now, a woman, remember them is a female.
Yeah.
You have to pay a fee in order to get the male.
Say that again.
Woman is female. You have to pay a fee in order to get the male.
So true, she name female.
You have to pay a fee. If you watch Solomon and Sheba movie, when Sheba they go to Israel to go link up Solomon because she hear about him, the man
Brother, where you get them talk from? Cause right now you make me just gone a couple seconds a while ago in a one different realms of meditation in a youth.
Yeah, man. Remember, you know, man. They say it think about it, you know. Remember, in everything in life,
Yeah.
there's a connection to it.
See?
So even words, you have connection to words same way. Like giant words or what you want to call it, conjunction.
Yeah.
So, may I say, when Sheba go to Israel to go meet Solomon, when Solomon see Sheba,
Yeah.
Solomon say, where's this nice, beautiful lady going? So Sheba now throw to them look a string bag, they will look a silver in it and throw you and drop your ground. So the man just laugh and take it up. That time she don't know say the same man where she a go about, you know, to go look for, you know, this rich man.
Oh,
you
so
know.
Sheba thought that
He was
Solomon
a
was
beggar.
a peasant.
Or a beggar man.
Oh.
See? So that put in my instinct for sure. Me say, watch here now. You see, woman love material thing because they are the type of people like this where them like material things that is their nature.
But Sowseed, man love material things also.
I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. See?
Yeah.
Watch this. You see, once woman love things that's pretty to the eyes, because them say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. See, once you look attractive certain kind of way, you know, your colors and thing, you're going to be attracted to woman. Woman go and like your clothes. They must say, boy, Justin, you know, say, me like your shirt, or I like your pants, or I like your shoes. So it's like she automatically get attached to you right there. So that's why I try to show you. So when you carry yourself or adorn yourself certain way in your apparel, woman go get attracted by you because they love those type of things. Just like when you see a sexy woman or you like a woman we carry big breasts or you like a woman who have stiff breasts or you like a woman who have a big bumper, you go get attracted to her.
Sure.
And you go put attention to it.
Wow.
See? But don't get carried away because anything will attract you, distract you.
Yeah, that happened to me quite a few times in my life.
I know you alone, it happen to every man. But how deep you go with it.
The same can be said about the females.
And it can take all your life too. We have a lot of experience.
No, I prefer going in one corner, I cry by myself. I not kill myself and I not kill nobody.
Not that way. It can, you see, anything will attract you.
Yeah.
It can distract you till it take away your focus. That means you end up and lose all your life. Enough man dead that way there. Woman lead them astray.
Oh. That sound like the Adam and Eve effect.
You see me I say? So when
Samson
something
and
attract
Delilah.
you, so when something attract you, you have to stabilize yourself and pre the attraction, but not get carried away that you lose focus.
In the realest way.
To a time I run right now. That's why I would use the term and I tell you say woman a devil because enough woman have a demon mentality in them.
But I know the woman them a buy these bag of gun and they kill off the whole community.
No, alright, yeah, put it this way now.
Eh.
The Bible says woman is a weaker vessel, right? And if a woman have a son and the son have more a mother nature, that means they go have a weakness.
And everything in the Bible people follow by and use it as law.
I understand that, but it's reality. And the two main thing in the Bible I not to agree with is the Virgin Mary have a baby boy, and when they say Jesus don't have no wife, I not go with that. Because that's an illusion.
Hey, guess what?
Power man them a dialogue right there. So.
You see the next time, the next installment of an interview with Sowseed on the Justin Blake channel.
Yeah.
That will be the topic. We're going to dive deep into that.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, and people just stay tuned. If you don't like the interview and you need to see more of Sowseed on the Justin Blake YouTube channel, just feel free to express that in the comment section in the realest way.
See? So, more say, big up Justin Blake said way. I'm want to get a youth them say, Sowseed get a youth, Sowseed anytime you come out and come fit Sowseed. If you're successful, you must proceed. Your girl now figure out a street go succeed. So boy out a street back to like Martha. Them not get no son, them not get no daughter. Every day them get up girl, them a chase off a girl can't get pregnant with mouth water. Them just a waste out like sewage water. Them heart it cold just like a freezer. Them not show no respect to the real father. We no wanna gilding up and we corner. Hey, Sowseed get a youth. Yeah man, watch on man. Check it out. Check out my YouTube channel, Sowseed Music Production. You know we born bad mind and we born corruption.
Subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.